Dear learners, congratulations to everyone in today's live session in favor of Khulna Online School. At first, take the well wishes from the core of my heart. How are you, my dear learners? I hope you are well. And I am also well by the grace of Allah. I want to introduce myself with you, okay? Yes. I am Rafi Ahmed, assistant teacher at Greenview High School, Chapainawganj, and YouTuber of English with Rafia ma'am. Okay, learners. In today's class, I am going to teach you the English second paper class for class 6 to 12. That means all the learners can participate in this class. So learners, at first, please tell me, is everything okay? Please tell me by comment. Like sound system, like light, like board, everything. And can you hear me? Please tell me. Okay, my dear learners. I think everything is okay. Okay, learners, you know this is English language, which has earned the prestige of being an international language. So you must learn English. Okay? Is it clear to you? Of course. And at first, please share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to take this class. Okay, learners, please share this video. Okay, before going to our class, I want to show you one thing. Do you want to see? What maybe the thing is? Yes, you want to see. So please look at me. Can you tell what is this? Yes, you can tell. This. Please tell me by comment. What is this? Who can tell? Actually, this is a motorbike. Okay? And you see, there is a man also here. And can you tell me where is the man now? Yes, now the man is on the motorbike. Where is the man? The man is on the motorbike. So can you guess what may be our today's topic? If you can guess, please tell me by comment. Can you guess actually what may be our today's topic? Yes, you can tell. Our today's topic is about article and use of the. Because you have seen the man is on the motorbike. So our today's topic is about article the. Okay? Article the, that means the definite article. Okay, you know there are two types of article, indefinite article and definite article. In my previous class, I have taken your one class 1 indefinite article, and in today's class, I will try my best to teach you about definite article, and this is about the. When we fixed anything, we know then this is for definite article the. Okay? You know this is a pen. If I want from you, please give me a pen, then you can give me the blue color pen or the black color pen. Okay? And if you ask you please give me the blue color pen. Then you will not give me this pen. Just you will give me this pen. So this is called definite article. When I am fixing you, give me the blue color pen. Which pen? The blue color pen. Then you will give me this pen. Okay. So now we are going to teach article the. Okay. Okay, learners, is everything okay? Please tell me. Shubhana is telling okay. Ashaduজ্জামান Rana সুন্দর হচ্ছে ma'am. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Okay, learners, please share this video with your friends so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. And here I am going to show you something by chart. Okay, and learners, if you want to get more and more video from me, then you can visit my YouTube channel, which is English with Rafia ma'am. There you can get almost 300 videos. Okay. Okay, learners, please tell me, can you see the sentences on the whiteboard? Yes. What can you see at first? Look at this. Here you see the Podda, the Meghna, the Mohananda, the Tista. So can you get what it stands for? The Podda, the Meghna, Mohananda or Tista? Yes, you can get. Actually, these are the name of what? Name of rivers. Okay. And learners, at the end of this class, you will get a fine poem in Bangla on article D. So please stay with us at the last of this class, because at the last of this class you will get a poem, and the poem is written in Bangla for you. Okay. So you are telling these are the name of river. So can you understand? For the name of every river you have to give article the. You see, this is Podda, this is Meghna. These are very big river. Okay. And you cannot tell we will use article the only for big river. Actually, you have to use article for all the rivers. It may be big or it may be small. Here you see the Mohananda. Actually, Mohananda is our pride of Champaignagarganj. Okay, and this river is not so big, but you have to use article D. Okay, can you understand? If you have any question, please tell me by comment. Okay, learners. Thank you. Please share this video with your friends. Please share. Don't late. And then you see, actually this is the Atlantic, the Pacific, the Bay of Bengal. So what do you mean by this? Can you get? Yes, you can get. The Atlantic. Actually, this is the name of an ocean. Yes. And the Pacific is also the name of our largest ocean. Okay. Then you see the Bay of Bengal. Okay. And you know the Bay of Bengal is situated at the north of our country. So for every ocean you have to use article the. Okay. Then you see the Al-Quran. Actually, what is the Al-Quran? Al-Quran is the name of our religion book of Muslim. Okay, our religion book is what? Al-Quran. So for every holy religion book you have to use article the. Can you tell me another religion book? I think you can tell me the name of another religion book. Okay. At first, for Muslim, this is Al-Quran. And for another religion, what is the name of the religion books of holy religions book? Like the Gita. Okay. Like the Tripitaka, the Bible. You know, there are major 4 religion books. Okay. And for all these religion books you have to use article the. Then what can you see? This is the Bangladesh Observer. Can you get actually what is this? The Bangladesh Observer? Yes, you can get. Absolutely right. The Bangladesh Observer is the name of a daily newspaper. Okay, for every types of newspaper, it may be daily, it may be weekly, okay, it may be monthly. This is not fact. It may be national, it may be international. Actually, for all types of newspaper you have to use article the. And can you tell me another name of any newspaper? If you can, please tell me by comment. And please hurry up. Who can tell me the another name of newspaper? Here I see Pops is writing and Irfan Islam is writing awesome. Sofiqul Islam, oh very nice, thank you. And please respond me by comment. And please share this video with your friends so that your every friend can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Yes, you are writing for magazines. Yes, for all types of magazines you have to use article the. And I am telling you the names of some newspapers like the Prothom Alo, the Inqilab, the Ittefaq, the Jugantor, the Bangladesh Time. Okay. Then learners, and you can also see the newspaper of our locality: Chapai Nawabganj, Chapai Dorpon, Chapai Chitro, Chapai News. Okay. Then you have to use article the for every types of newspaper. And then you see the moon. That means, what do you mean by moon? I think you know about moon. Yes, but here the moon is meaning another thing. And the thing is what? Okay, can you tell me how many moon are there in this world? Yes, just only one moon is there in this world. In this world there is only one moon. So for the things which is just for one, you have to use article the. And can you tell me the another things just for one, like the moon? Yes, you can tell, like sun. Sun is also one. And you have to use article the before sun, that means the sun. And what is one in this earth without these two? Yes, this is the sky. The sky is blue and the sky is also one. And can you tell me another anything which is just for one? Yes. Where we live in? We live on the earth. Yes, earth is also one. The earth moves around the sun. So for earth you have to use article the. Okay? And learners, please share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay? And then you see what is this? The Muslim, the English. Can you get what is the Muslim or what is the English? I think you can get. Actually, the Muslim or the English, all these are the name of any nation. Okay? The Muslim is the religion nation. We are Muslim. We will use the Muslim. And for another religion, what you will use? The Hindu, the Buddhist, the Christian. Okay? And the English. For the English nation, you have to use the English. We are what? We are Bengali. So for Bengali, you will use article the. That means the Bengali. Okay? The Indian. So please tell me the name of another nation. Please tell me by comment. And here last you see the Kshatriya. This is the name of caste. Like for the name of every caste you have to use article the. Like the Kshatriya, the Brahman, Vaishya, Shudra. For every types of caste you have to use the article the. Okay, learners? Learners, please share this video with your friend. And I will show you another chart. And at the last of this class, I will give you a very nice poem in Bangla. Okay? So that by this poem you can keep in mind the use of article the. That means the definite article. Okay, learners, I want to show you another thing. Can you see this? Yes, you can. What is this? Actually, this is a cow. Okay, learners, but why I have brought this card to you? Yes, I have brought this cow to you. Can you see how many horns are there in this cow? Yes, there are 2 horns. Okay, here I want to mean dash cow has 2 horns. Okay, if I write a cow, if you give here the article a cow has 2 horns, then it will be just only in this cow has 2 horns, but another cow has not 2 horns. Is it right? Not only this cow has 2 horns, but also every cow has 2 horns. Okay, you know. And this is for collective noun. And as every cow has 2 horns, so here you have to use article not a. You have to article here the. the cow has 2 horns. And like this, another thing you see here, the elephant. Okay, how many trunks this elephant has? Just 1 trunk. Okay, so here you have to write the elephant has 1 trunk. Okay, not an elephant, not only this elephant but also every elephant has 1 trunk. Okay, have you understood, dear learners? I hope you have understood. Okay learners, please share this video with your friend. Here I am saying Akhtaruzzaman Suman is watching. Thank you for watching. Ariful Islam is writing world. Yes, world, but actually this is earth. And world is also similar to this. Okay learners, now I will show you another chart. So please look at this chart. Okay learners, can you see? Please tell me. Here you see the Shahnama. Can you guess actually what is the Shahnama? Yes, you can. The Shahnama is the name of a book. So for the name of every types of book, you have to use article the. It may be like the Shahnama, it may be the Gitanjali, the Hamlet, the Macbeth, the Midsummer Night's Dream, okay, the Othello. For every types of the name of books, you have to use article the. Okay, and can you tell me the name of any other book? Please tell me. And then you see superlative degree. Okay, what is superlative degree actually? You know the adjective has 3 forms: positive, comparative and superlative. When you will see the adjective is in superlative form, then you will use article the. Like I am writing one example for you. He is the best boy in the class. Okay learners, look at this sentence. Here you see the and here you see the again. And here is best. Before is used, before the is used here before best. So best is the superlative form of good. You know good, better, best. Best is the superlative form of good. So before superlative form you have to use article the. And here you see boy in the class. And here the class is fixed. Where the boy is now? In the class. So before class you have to use article the. Okay learners, and now please you tell me another example for superlative degree. I am telling you another example. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. And please you tell me another example which is for superlative degree. Okay, then look at the another example, abstract idea, like mother. Actually what is abstract idea? the idea, that means the thing which we cannot touch like this, just we feel. And here you see mother. You know about your mother, right? You can touch your mother. But why here mother is? And it is telling abstract noun. How? Okay, I'll tell you it. How? Here I will write some examples for you. Here you are writing, she had a mother. Again you are writing, my mother is cooking. And here you see, the mother roses in her. Okay learners, here you see 3 sentences, and all these 3 sentences you see mother is present here and here and here. But you see, here I have written she has a mother. Okay, that means she has justly one mother, not more than one. That means she has not any stepmother. Okay, then you see, my mother is cooking. Here for mother you are not using any article, because you know you have just only one mother. So you are telling my mother is cooking, or my mother is writing, reading, teaching. Okay, and then you see the mother roses in her. Actually, what is this? Here you see article the. Before mother, here article the mother roses in her. Actually, this is abstract thing. This is not mother. This is actually the abstract thing. That means the affection of mother. You know, sometimes, suppose I have no child, and for another child I can take pity, I can love another child like me. When we see the female person, when we see any child, then we'll love the child. Okay, so here the motherly affection roses in us. Okay, what? The motherly affection. So for motherly affection, this is the roses in abstract idea. You can tell another. Please tell me another example, like dash beast. Roses in him. Okay, so what will be the article here? Actually, beast is like insect or animal. Okay, so what will be the article here? Can you tell me? Yes, article will be the beast roses in him. That means he has become very ferocious like an animal. Okay, like an animal, he has become very ferocious, and this is the beast roses in him. Okay learners, have you understood? If you have any questions, please tell me by comment, and if you cannot understand, please tell me. And the learners, if you want to more and more video, please visit my YouTube channel, which is English with Rafia ma'am. Okay, there you will get more and more videos. Okay learners, then look at the another thing. Can you see this? Yes, this is the rise of Dinajpur. this is the rice of Dinajpur. Actually, what is the rice of Dinajpur? What the sentence is meaning here? You know, we write what? We eat rice. We eat rice. Okay? Here before rice, we don't use any article. But here you see, before rice, article D is used. The rice of Dinajpur. That means when you are fixing any thing of any place, then article D will be here. That means the rice of Dinajpur is very well, and you know the mango of Chapai is very famous all over the world. Yes, when you write I want to eat a mango, then there will be article A. Okay, and you can write mango is very sweet. But when you are going to fix it, the rice of the mango of Chapai is very famous all over the world. Then you have to use article D. Okay. And look at another thing. The USA. You know here USA stands for United States of America. Okay. So when you will see the name of any country in abbreviated letter like USA or UK, that means United Kingdom, then you have to use article D. But when you are telling about Bangladesh, then you are not using any article. Okay, because you know we tell we live in Bangladesh. We don't tell we live in the Bangladesh or we live in a Bangladesh. We don't tell. We just simply tell what? We live in Bangladesh. Okay, next you see Nazrul is the Seli of Bangladesh. Here you see the name of a person Nazrul and here name of another person Seli. Here you see there is no any article, and here you see before Seli an article D is used. But why? You know Seli is the very famous poet. Okay, Shelley was the very rebel poet of England, and like Shelley, Nazrul is also our rebel poet. So here when you see two thing or two person is comparing, then with whom we are comparing, we will use article D before that. Here we are comparing Nazrul with whom? With Shelley. So we will use article D before Shelley. Okay. Then you see the north. Actually, what is the name of north? North is the name of our one side. Like north, you know, like the east, the south, the west. So for every side you have to use article north, article D. Okay. And then you see morning, noon, night. Okay, here come to the whiteboard. Morning, noon, night. If you write here in before morning or noon or night, then you have to use article D. And if you use at, then you will not use any article. Like I will take my breakfast. I will take my breakfast in the morning. Okay, here you see article the is used here, because here you see in. If you see any in, then you use article the, and if you see here at, like we sleep at dash night, as you see here at, so there will be no article here. Okay, we sleep at night. This is correct. So what is the fact here? Fact is in and at. Okay, learners, is it clear to you? If you have any question, please tell me. And please share this video with your friends so that your every friends can get the opportunity to enjoy our class. Okay, Rebecca Sultan is writing nice, thank you. Tashmin Mali Hassain is right. Excellent, not clear. Which is not clear? Please, example. Please tell me which example is not clear to you. Please tell me which is not clear to you. Okay, learners, and I will show you another chart. Please share this video with your friend. So that your every friend get the chance to be benefited from our class. And here you see, can you see this? Yes, you can see here, this is before date. So actually, what do you mean by before date? Before date, article the will be used. Like we tell here 21st February. 21st February is our Mother Language Day. You know, 21st February is our Mother Language Day. Actually, this is date. So before date, you have to use article. The 21st February is our Mother Language Day. Okay, learners, have you understood? Okay, then you see another thing, and this thing is some diseases. You know, for diseases you do not have to use any article, but for few diseases you have to use article the, like the plague, like the mumps, like the gout, and the measles. Okay, for these 4 types of disease you have to use article the. Okay, learners, and then you see another thing, this is before road. Actually, you know, before any street any article is not used, but if you see here road, then you have to use article the, like we see heavy jam. We see heavy jam on the Elephant Road. This is the name of a road. This is Elephant Road, and as you see here road, so you have to use article the here. Okay, learners? And then you see train, plane, ship. For every types of plane or train or ship, you have to use article the. For ship, you will use the Titanic. For train, you will use the Bonalota Express, the Silk City Express. For plane, you will use the Apollo 11. Everything, for every train, plane and ship, you will use article the. Okay. Then you see school, college, university, mosque, market. And what do you mean by this? Actually here the fact is that normally we go to school for learning, for study, and we go to mosque for prayer, we go to market for buying or selling, but these are the normal purpose. But if you go to these places for any special purpose, then you have to use article the. Like my father went to the school. Actually, as a student, I will go to school. This is my duty. But my father went to the school. Why? For visiting the head teacher or anything. Our Prime Minister visited the Greenview High School. Okay. So when you see these are for any special purpose, then you have to use article before the school, college, university, mosque or market or hospital. Okay, learners? And my dear learners, please share this video with your friend. Please share this video with your friend. Okay, here MD Max is writing, you said that I take my breakfast. Okay, actually this is the example. Okay. Okay, learners, and now I will show you the poem. Okay, learners, I will show you our poem, and this poem is in Bangla. And for your better understanding, I have written this poem. So please look at this poem. ওকে, সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এবার তোমরা বাংলায় আর্টিকেল দি এর উপর যে কবিতাটা লেখা হয়েছে, সুন্দর কবিতা, সেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ। আমি তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে কবিতাটা একবার পড়ে দিব, ঠিক আছে? আর এই কবিতাটা তোমরা অবশ্যই মনে রাখবা, যাতে করে তোমাদের দি এর ব্যবহারটা কখনোই এরপরে ভুল না হয়। আর আমরা জানি যে দেখা যাচ্ছে আমরা যদি কোনো কবিতা বা গান, ছন্দ এর মাধ্যমে কিছু শিখি, তাহলে কিন্তু আমরা খুব সহজেই মনে রাখতে পারি। আচ্ছা, কবিতাটা দেখো তো কি লেখা আছে, যে নদী, সাগর, দ্বীপপুঞ্জ। আমরা কিন্তু এগুলো অলরেডি পড়েই নিয়েছি, যে নদীর পূর্বে দিবা, সাগরের পূর্বে দিবা। জাস্ট আমি কবিতাটা তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে একবার পড়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা লিখে নিবা। নদী, সাগর, দ্বীপপুঞ্জ, জাহাজাদি, গিরিপুঞ্জ, জাতি সম্প্রদায়, ধর্মগ্রন্থ, কোর্ট, সিনেট ও সংবাদপত্র, চন্দ্র, সূর্য, গ্রহ, তারা, আছে যত বিশ্বধরা। আমি আবারও পড়ে দিচ্ছি, তোমরা লিখে নাও। নদী, সাগর, দ্বীপপুঞ্জ, জাহাজাদি, গিরিপুঞ্জ, জাতি সম্প্রদায়, ধর্মগ্রন্থ, কোর্ট, সিনেট ও সংবাদপত্র, চন্দ্র, সূর্য, গ্রহ, তারা, আছে যত বিশ্বধরা। আমরা একটু দেখব, আসলে এগুলো সব কিছুর পূর্বেই তোমাকে আর্টিকেল দিয়ে ইউজ করতে হবে। ওকে, এরপরে দেখো, তারিখ, পর্বতমালা ও দিকের নাম, আছে যত বিখ্যাত নাম, পৃথিবীতে একটি মাত্র আছে যত, তার পূর্বে বসবে দি, নেই কোনো ভিন্ন মত। তো সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল তোমাদের জন্য আসলে বেশি সহজ করার জন্য আজকের এই কবিতাটি। তারপর তোমরা বুঝতে না পারলে কোনো যদি কমেন্ট থাকে অবশ্যই আমাকে কমেন্ট বক্সে জানিয়ে দিবা। আর তোমাদের যে কোনো ক্লাস যদি ভিজিট করতে হয়, প্রয়োজন হয়, তাহলে তোমরা আমার ইংলিশ উইথ রাফিয়া ম্যাম ইউটিউবে চ্যানেলে ঘুরে আসতে পারো। অনেক ক্লাস দেখতে পাবা, আশা করি তোমাদের ভালো লাগবে এবং উপকৃত হবা। তো আজকে লার্নার্স আমরা এ পর্যন্ত। দেখা হচ্ছে তোমাদের সঙ্গে কালকে আবারও দুপুর 12টায়, দ্যাট মিনস বুধবার দুপুর 12টায়। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থেকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।